So, welcome to a brand new live stream, and today we are talking about why everybody should go all in at $6 space, okay? I'm not saying that we go there, right? I'm saying that we should go in all in. At least I'm going all in. So, yeah, first of all, thank you very much for tuning in. Make sure to let me know in the live chat where you are watching from so I can give you a shout out, guys, okay? And what a ride this week with Virgin Galactic. Let's have a look where the stock stands as of today. A little bit positive, but compared to what we lost yesterday, absolutely nothing, okay? So basically flat for the day. Now let's have a look. So here you can see actually that we are actually at a moment where the people don't know what's going on, okay? A lot of people are a little bit confused. A lot of people say, okay, what should we do? How low can it go? And so on. I made a video about that and posted it that nobody can predict the absolute bottom. But I really like the overall setup in terms of a long-term perspective. Obviously, right? I'm buying every month, so this is great for me. I'm just buying cheaper. Now, the next couple of minutes, and make sure to smash the like button and follow me on Instagram if you haven't yet, the Wolf of Dubai Denny, where you can follow me also and text me and whatever, you know. So this is great. And let me give us a shout out too. We have Sydney, Canada. We have Newport Beach in California. We have Seattle. We have Netherlands. We have Moscow, Seattle, San Diego. We have Lithuania. Our member Mantas and our member Thomas. We have our member Antero Jimenez from Las Cruces, New Mexico, at the source. We have La Puente, California. We have New York City in the house. And we have Belfast as well. Belgium as well, New York, fantastic. So let us dive in. I get a lot of comments, okay, especially in the last couple of videos, from very negative one, which some of them are very, very amusing to me, and some are quite positive, which I always like. And there was one comment actually that actually sparked this idea for this video, and it was like, hey Danny, why, if your conviction is so high, why are you not going all in? And I was thinking about it, you know, what would bring me to go space all in? I mean, sell everything else. I have a little bit of a day trading account. I have a little bit here and there, some stocks, right? I have currently around 80% of my stock portfolio in space stocks, so pretty much waiting on that. Was it the right call? If you're looking into the last year, obviously not, okay? If it will be the long-term right goal, it will be maybe working out, okay? So I think I just reread a very interesting book about investing, and it showed you that the most interesting and most fascinating investor, or one of those investors, is Warren Buffett, okay? And what Warren Buffett has done, he has shown patience par excellence, even though people didn't understand his investments, people was negative about his investments, and so on. He basically compounded money over money, okay? And I want to show you something, just because this is something that our human brain cannot really comprehend, okay? And this is exponential growth. Let me show it to you. And then we dive in why I want to buy everything when space goes to $6, okay? So here you can see, let's say you start with $10,000. Sorry. $10,000, okay? And let's say, similar to Warren Buffett, you accumulate 20% every year, okay? So we multiply that by 1.2. Okay, so 1 year, 2 years, 3 year, 4 year, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. After 13 years, you 10 times your $10,000. Okay, now let's continue. 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 22 years, without putting one additional dollar into the investment, you have $500,000. And I think that what people really don't understand is the slow growth, which is important. Not the day-to-day, not the month-to-month, even not the year-to-year, okay? If you have one time, 100% performance, that's, can make up for 2 or 3 years, okay? So it's really important what an investment portfolio does over years, because as more as it's compounding, and now in my case, I even put money into this every month, then you are absolutely a no-brainer millionaire in a couple of years, okay? So this is the thing that really stroked me and gave me additional patience to everything I'm doing on the stock market. It's all about the long-term gains, okay? Now, with that aside, let's dive in about giving you a lecture economically, fundamentally, and just very logical thinking in Virgin Galactic, okay? Currently we have what? Currently have a market cap at $2.6, $2.6 billion, okay? At $10 stock price, all right? So basically, if you multiply that, let's go back to the calculator real quick. So you have $2.6 billion divided by 10, okay? 0.26 times $6 per stock is about $1.5 billion in market cap, okay? Now, why I'm telling you this? I want to show you and tell you that with a stock price of $6, and if we go there or not, this is, this is written in the stars, okay? Nobody knows. But if this is the case, every dollar you put in the company represent a small part, or represent a dollar into the bank account of Virgin Galactic. Now let me explain. Let's go to the statement that they wrote, okay? So they are basically raising $425 plus the option of additional $75 million, okay? Here's the press release, which makes it $500 million, okay? Then we go back, we go down to the current cash reserves, and let me have a look where this is. This is about, let me have a look where, if I can find it. Is it here? Cash. I don't know if it is in this PR statement, but I think so. No, it isn't in this one. I think it's in this one. Let's have a look. Cash. Okay, it's also not in this one. It's somewhere in the, I think it's in the SPCE filling. Let me just pull it out because this is very important. SPCE filling. Yeah, here we go. So if we are scrolling down to the financial results, you will see that we are having 933 here 933. I will enlarge that. 933 cash and cash equivalent. Okay, they are having on the balance sheet already. This means if you put one and one together, they will have 500 million plus 900 is almost $1.5 billion. Okay, they have in cash in the bank. If the company is worth $1.5 billion and you invest into $1 into the company, you are having basically an asset, a company that you bought $1 worth, $1 equivalent in the bank. So this means that even you can sell the whole company, you still have 1.5 billion in the bank, and you basically have, a super secure investment, which is the case that $1.5 billion in the bank and the company is worth $1.5 billion on the stock market. This is equal, okay? This means airplanes, patents, team, engineering, developments, fleet, the whole spaceship, the brand, everything you get for free, okay? This is basically a no-brainer to buy Virgin Galactic at $6, guys. Back in the 80s and 90s, there were guys, they were looking at two companies that say, okay, this company is worth on the stock market $100 million, but they have assets worth $500 million. So you get, you get $5 for the $1 invested, and this is mind blowing. This is very hard to find. This is very, 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 very important, guys. Okay. So with that said, I think that if this will be the case, that Virgin Galactic will go to $6, then I will buy everything, every single stock available. Let's see. Okay, it will be very interesting, guys. This is something I wanted to share before the weekend. Let me see if I have more people here. People from Netherlands, Mexico, Puerto Rico, Connecticut, New York City, Hawaii, Romania, St. Petersburg, Holland, Belgium, and Malta also in the house, guys. So, and when I read comments like, oh, this goes to 1, goes to 3, I think the market is so rational that this will happen very, very hardly. Okay, so with that said, I hope you have the best weekend that you ever had. I'm wishing you a great start into the long weekend, guys. Monday, the stock market is closed because we have Martin Luther King Day. And with that said, let me know in the comments and into the live stream what you think. And I not see you tomorrow. I will see you on Monday or on Sunday or in between. Okay, so follow me on Instagram. Make sure to smash that like button. And take care. Thank you.